Customer stabbed to death at Portland bookstore. Mother and son killed in St. Catherine. St. James man killed while visiting girlfriend in neighboring community. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Portland recorded its 9th murder of the year following the stabbing death of a man as he made purchases at a bookstore on Arbor Street in Port Antonio on Monday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as Robert Grant, a resident of Harper's Lane in the parish. A police report stated that about 4:05 p.m., the now deceased went into the bookstore at Morgan's Plaza to purchase items and was standing at the counter when he was attacked by a man. More details to come following further investigations. A woman and her son were shot dead in Spanish Town Monday night. The victims have been identified as 21-year-old bus conductor Jerome Walters and his mother, 50-year-old Georgia Coleman, a businesswoman and operator of Georgia One Stop Shop on St. John's Road. Investigators reported that about 7:45, Miss Coleman and her son were at a shop when two men drove up on a motorcycle and opened fire at them. Both were shot and taken to hospital where they were both pronounced dead. Police are trying to determine the reasons behind the killing of a man who reportedly went to visit his girlfriend in Coral Gardens, St. James on Monday. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Ricardo Spence, otherwise called Richie Rich or Canadian, is from Churchill in the neighboring community of Flanker in the parish. It is reported that around 9 a.m., Spence was in the area visiting his girlfriend when explosions were heard. The police said Spence was subsequently found lying face down in a pool of blood with multiple gunshot wounds. He was taken to the Cornell Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead.